Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. So I've talked briefly about inbox dollars on the channel. It's something that I've been very clear on. This is not something you could get rich off of. This is not something that's going to make you a millionaire. But I have talked about this website with some positivity because it can be a good extra source of income, and it doesn't take very long to do. What it is, it's a rewards website that primarily does surveys, but you can also get paid to watch videos. You get paid to do little questions like this, right? What actor played Bill of the Berkshire, and there's two movie gangs of New York, right? So there's a lot of different things you could do on this, and they also have offers. So what the thing about offers, you can actually earn a lot with them. So the offers are usually things like sign up with this service and you will get this bonus. Now the offers, again, you want to make sure you're not spending money on them. There's a lot of free offers here. Uber Eats, right? Something that I've talked about. DoorDash, something I've talked about that you could sign up on inbox dollars. If you go through them, you get a big bonus, $60 for signing up with DoorDash through inbox dollars. I wish I did that when I signed up for DoorDash, but it's too late for me, but maybe it's not too late for you. If you want to sign up with DoorDash, my link will be in the description. But look at all these different services: Uber Eats, Aspirations, Tax Slayer, a lot of different services. You can earn a lot with these latest offers, and they don't take as long to do because it's like you just sign up. One of the offers that I signed up with that earned me, I think, $10 was Acorns. Acorns is an investing program that it rounds up your purchases and it invests it for you. And that was something I wanted to do anyways because I like investing and I like to talk about it for the channel. And I'll be doing a review of Acorns in the future. So be sure you're subscribed to the channel. That's what we talk about here on the channel: making money from home, making money on the side, making money without being a slave to your company. That's what we talk about here. But in today's video, I wanted to just give you an overview of how much I've earned in the past probably 60 days, so 2 months, maybe less, probably 45 days. And I have not done this seriously, right? This is something that I do once in a while. If you do this seriously, you could easily earn 50 bucks a month. I'm being real with you. And if you use my link for inbox dollars, you will actually get a bonus. So you could start yourself off with a little bit of a bonus. Use my link in the description and in the comment section. But let's just cash it out. I got $50 right here, and the minimum payout is 30, so I'm over the minimum payout. You're gonna request payment. Okay, there's a $3 processing fee, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. How do I want to get my money? I'm thinking, do I want to do a check or do I want to do a e-payment? What should I do? Let's do an e-payment. Okay, so the reason I blurted out some of that was because of, had personal information on there. But as you can see right over here, thank you. Your payment has been processed. Estimated processing date will be April 10th of 2019. They have a little survey you could do right now to earn some more money, right? You could do an extra survey. I'm not going to do that right now, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is a legit website. This is something that pays out, and it could be a good opportunity for someone, stay-at-home parent, someone who just wants to earn some extra money for their kids or whatever, or even for yourself. If you have some debt to pay off, some student loan debt, whatever, you could definitely earn 50 bucks a month with this website, only doing it a couple days a week, couple hours a week, right? And I talked about how you make money with this website in a previous video about how you have to pick and choose your surveys, wisely. And if I will link that video in the description as well. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Anything you need, all the bonus links will be in the description, as well as the video I mentioned. I will catch you in the next video, and have a great day.